where everything just went
good, everybody?
blank.
Welcome back to another video. And right now, we're probably starting the video outside. We got the booper right here. And we also have my dad's truck right there. Actually getting alignment too. Yes, guys, if you guys know and you saw the last video, you guys seen that I popped my right tire on this side. But we are here to get an alignment to make sure that doesn't happen, because on the right side, it's starting to happen. Let's see if I can show you guys. Let's see. My exhaust is in the way. Let's go here. Right here, it's kind of starting to shape. Like, let me point it out if I can. Like right there, right here. Definitely got to get this alignment fixed because I do not want to go through another tire. I do not want to spend another $500 on a tire, so to make sure we get this right. But Supra is looking good. She needs a wash. She is really dirty. If you guys also saw the last video, you guys know I have no lip either. Kind of looks good without a lip too, so not that mad, but I want another lip. So we're gonna get another lip pretty soon actually, because next week we are headed to somewhere out, and we're headed to Temecula for my girlfriend's cousin's wedding. And the Airbnb that they're staying at, it's a sick house, and I want to get pictures with the Supra there, but I want to get my lip. So we might be ordering a lip pretty soon, like I said, guys. So we're gonna be probably ordering one really soon, but first we got to get this alignment done so we don't go through any more tires, and then we should be good. Also, I appreciate y'all for showing love on the last video. You guys been killing it with the support, and I truly appreciate it. So make sure y'all hit the subscribe button, because it says a lot of you guys ain't subscribed. So hit the subscribe button and be part of the family. Be part of the build journey, you know what I'm saying? We still got a couple more things still to go. Like I said, I do want to paint this hood. Might possibly paint the trunk. Ideas are coming. Maybe new fenders. I don't know. I'm just getting too ahead of myself now. Let's relax. But Pops is getting his alignment done. Make sure it's all good. I'm next. Also get some sound clips today of the Supra from the outside. I'll probably have my girlfriend record from the outside and get some clips of how the T51R sounds. I did get a comment yesterday saying, now that I have it, is it obnoxiously loud, or like, is it okay? Honestly, I can see myself in a month or two getting probably like kind of annoyed of it, because bro, the whistle is extremely loud. It low-key is kind of obnoxious, because if you drive it in paddle mode, you can kind of control the whistling and everything like that. But if you drive it just in normal, bro, that thing whistles so damn loud, like uncontrollably. So yeah, I'll get some clips outside for you. But there is my dad. He just got a lift on his truck too. Dude needs to chew. All right, right now we're gonna find out if I fit up the alignment rack. So we're gonna see right now, because he thinks I'm pretty low. And we all know I'm pretty low, but I think I should fit. I think I should be fine. We're gonna find out. We are good. We made it up. So we up here still, but we trying to get my steering wheel straight, because apparently this is straight right now, but we need the ring to be right here. Yeah, this is not straight. I even want to go test drive it around the block, and it was stuck like this. I was like, oh no, no can do. All right, so we have just finished with our alignment, but all right, so we finished up with our alignment, but I'm gonna need to go back again tomorrow, because the steering wheel is still a little off, and he got really busy, so he needed to take care of some other cars. So I'm gonna go back tomorrow and get it readjusted, because yeah, look at my steering wheel. My steering wheel is not centered, so definitely going back tomorrow to get this fixed, and then hopefully we don't have to worry about this again until I swap back the Workmeisters. You can definitely still hear it. You guys hear it? Sounds insane, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Damn. Like I said, when you have it in paddle shifts mode, you can control the whistling. If you drive it just in regular like like just normal with no paddle shifters, that thing is loud. It whistles. Look, watch. I'll move it right now and see, bro. It's because you're like at a higher gear and you're going like you're trying to catch speed. Look. Sheesh, bro. But tomorrow we're gonna fix the alignment, bro. He just got busy. Yeah, this is bothering me. I hate when my steering wheel's off, and it is very off.
Tomorrow.
Alright, y'all. So I decided to put on the Go 3, give you guys a little POV drive so you guys can hear it. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but I'm sure you guys can. And I'm pretty sure you guys can see that my steering wheel is a little off. So right now we're actually headed to the alignment shop again to get this fixed. Because look, as you guys can see, look at my alignment. It is to the right. So we need to get that fixed. Because once I put it centered, it's taking me to the left. So we need to get it like this. Right now it's like this. We need to get it like this. But yeah. But I want to get this alignment fixed, and then after that we can get some more turbo noises, and then I'll have my girlfriend record from the outside to get some roller shots just so you guys can hear it. But yeah, so far it's been my, I want to say, like 3rd day really driving the car with the T51R mod, and so far I love it. The one thing I hate about it is that it's obnoxiously loud, but it's loud in the freeway. Dude, some guy's taking a picture of my car in the back. Sick guy. But yeah, it's loud as fuck on the freeway. Like on the freeway, you're constantly on the gas, so you just constantly hear that whistle just the whole damn time, bro. So that's just gonna be like one of the things I gotta deal with the T51R, because on the freeway that thing is obnoxiously loud. When I'm in paddle shifter mode and all that, I can control it kind of. Crazy. Damn, that thing sounds insane. I don't think I could get like over that. It just sounds so good. Alright, so we gotta make a left in here. I was like, what line is that? But it's a gas light, so we need gas. Get back in here and get in alignment really quick. Hopefully he's here, so we can get this shit over with, man, because I need to get it fixed. Alright, so we're moving to the front, so we're gonna use a different alignment machine. He thinks that one will probably work a little bit better, but we're gonna go towards the front and then we'll just wait, because I gotta wait a little bit. Let's pull up over here to the front. Just gotta see where I gotta go. As you guys can see, we are uplifted on the hoist, getting our alignment done, but he's literally just fixing my steering wheel. So hopefully he can get it right, because I was here for like almost 2 hours trying to get it right and he didn't get it right. So hopefully this guy can get it right. Ooh, it is hot in here and I need some gas. Ooh. Shout out to my dude, he got it fixed. It is straight now. Yes, bro, I wanted this thing fixed and it is fixed. So huge shout out to them for fixing it. But we have another problem, guys. We're right. Sounds good though. Sounds amazing. Sounds amazing. Dile, Julio, que quedó. Sí, sí. Muchas gracias. Alright, let's get up on out of here. We are good to go now. Good. Okay, I don't know if you guys just heard that noise. I don't know if you guys just heard that. But that's another one of our issues. What I was hoping wasn't the issue is the issue, bro. Oh my god. So he told me that my rack and pinion might be going bad. He said that little clunk noise every time I go left, he can hear it from the inside of it. And like our rack and pinion is an electric rack and pinion, so he says he can hear the clunking from the inside of it, which sucks, bro, because a rack and pinion is so expensive and I am not trying to spend so much money right now, bro. Like, if it's not one thing, it's another, I swear. Ahí quedó, gracias. Sí. But yeah, guys, holy shit, damn, it sounds good, bro. T51R mod sounds absolutely insane, bro. Like, it sounds really good. I'm just, the only thing I could complain about it is the freeways. Freeways, bro, it gets obnoxiously loud. But like I said, maybe now that I know it's in paddle shift mode, it probably won't be as obnoxious. Let's just hope. But so far I've been loving it. It does get a little loud, but not too loud to the point where I'm like kind of annoyed of it, because I'm not yet, I hope. But yeah, bro, I am, that rack and pinion issue, I'm gonna have to probably take it to Toyota, have them check it out, see if that's really the issue. Probably take it to like House of Power or even PQ, have them check it out, see what it might be. But damn, bro, he was telling me, I don't know if his quote was right or not, but he was telling me that he thinks a rack and pinion for this, for like a BMW, might be 10 G's. I don't know if that is correct. That's what that guy was telling me, but I really hope that wasn't. The last time I checked how much a rack and pinion was for the Supra, I saw it was like 3,400. I am not trying to spend 3,400 on a rack and pinion, bro. That is insane. It's just like, oh, like I said, guys, it's one thing after another and it kind of sucks. Like, if anything, to be honest, I'm not even gonna like be that upset, but if anything, that the reason why that rack and pinion is messed up was probably due to the accident, and it just never got changed. So that's what I'm assuming probably is the reason why, because if you guys know, my car was an accident and I had to rebuild it. But I'm wondering if that was the reason why it's like acting like that, because it would make total sense, you know. Sounds insane though. Bro, I'm telling you, it breaks almost everyone's neck. Like, people in their car like, what the hell? But I'm not gonna lie, it almost sounds like a whistle. Like if there's a whistle in my car. Like, I swear. But it's pretty fucking dope though, to get, like, you know, for a mod. It's pretty dope. I'm enjoying it. So I probably won't talk as much right now. I'll let you guys just enjoy the beautiful sound of this T51R mod. And also, guys, disclaimer, if you guys didn't know and you guys are new and you guys are just figuring out this T51R mod, it is specifically only for sound, purely for sound. Like, that's it, no performance, no nothing. It's purely for sound. Obviously, if you want to get a pure 900 and do a T51R mod, you could do that, but mine is a stock B58 turbo with a T51R mod. Doesn't do nothing performance wise, just purely sound. Damn, it sounds good. The good thing is my steering wheel is straight, so that's all I'm happy about, honestly, is that my steering wheel is straight. And that guy got it on his first try too. guys think on this? Does it sound insane? Does it sound like a big turbo is coming, bro? Like behind you? Alright, the moment you guys probably all been waiting for, to hear it from the outside. I have my girlfriend record, and you guys are gonna hear the outside clips of how it sounds from the outside. I'll probably have her drive so I can hear it. We'll do a couple little laps around my block right here, just so you can hear how it sounds, and we'll get this cold start. That was loud. That was really loud, actually. Damn. We're live, dude.
Do you have your mic on?
No, because you gotta hear it from outside.
Oh, okay. Gosh, guys. Wait, am I supposed to chase him? Or follow him? Hold on. Got him! Sounds pretty good though. My sounds better though. Huh? Y'all see that over there? He wishes he was me.
Stop it. Get some help.
Yeah.
Nice.
Kind of makes my teeth tickle. Oh my god. Sounds amazing. Dun-dun. Dun-dun, 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 dun-dun. Wow. Look at the hammer shark. Sounds so disgusting.
I wanted you drive it real quick. I want to hear how it sounds. 51st. Yeah, okay, buddy. Oh, hell no. She probably stepped on that way too hard. Car does look cool though. Damn. That's my car? Damn, it sounds good from the outside. Damn, it sounds so good. Let me know what you guys think. How does it sound? Do you guys like the sound? Do you guys not? Bro, I think it sounds insane. Damn, it looks good rolling though. There you go. You set off the alarm. Think we're
Going slow on the tip, but I forgot you don't have the lip.
oh.
Emotional, damn it!
No, you do not know how to get it inside. No, don't do it. No, don't do it. You are not doing it. Hell no, you is not. Nope, you're not doing it. Nope. Get over there. Bring it around. Hell no. My car needs a wash, dude. It is so dirty. All right, Speed Racer, you had your fun. Can't even get out the seat. Look at you. Oh my god.